pen nerd, paper freak, stationery lover. These are all self-proclaimed titles that I proudly hold and will come as no surprise if you've watched my channel for any length of time. But I've never really touched on why I love stationery, and that's what I want to share with you today. I suppose it would help to start from the beginning. Growing up, I loved collecting stationery. I can still remember how excited I would get when my sister would go through her stationery and give me anything that she didn't want anymore. I clung to those little Sanrio stationery sets, and believe it or not, I still have some of those today. Needless to say, my love for stationery has grown and evolved since then. From Lisa Frank diaries to Tomoe River paper. I mean, talk about a stationery glow up. Stationery has always been a fun thing for me to nerd out about, and if we're digging a little bit deeper, there are a few reasons in particular why I love stationery, and more specifically, I'll be referring to these reasons as the 3 C's. The first C is for creativity. There's no doubt about it, stationery speaks to me on a creative level, and it's honestly something that I had such a hard time honoring when I was growing up. For me, stationery serves not only a functional purpose, but it allows space for creativity in so many ways through my journal spreads, through pen pal letters, and even running my own little handmade sticker shop. There really is something so beautiful about transferring our deepest wishes and truest desires onto an empty canvas, and that's why I'm so excited to be partnering with Munbin for this portion of the video. This is Munbin's adorable mini thermal label maker, and it's been inspiring all sorts of creativity for me lately. I feel like the Munbin mini thermal label maker perfectly embodies this first reason of why I love stationery. This very cute labeler. Did you catch that? Did you see what I did there? It's a bear, so I said berry. This very cute labeler automatically senses the label's size and effortlessly pairs with their app that has tons of label customization options, including 16 font sizes, 10 text styles, 4 boxes, and a built-in library of over 400 symbols and clip art images. They also offer a variety of different labels that are tear and scratch resistant. It's surprisingly light at only 160 grams, making it the lightest label device in the market and especially convenient for on the go. For reference, my iPhone XS with the case on weighs 215 grams. Whether you want to spruce up your journal spreads or use it for a more functional purpose like labeling and organizing storage for your stationery, the Munbin Mini Thermal Label Maker allows for so many possibilities for us to get creative. If you want a chance at winning your own Munbin Mini Thermal Label Maker, make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Another reason why I love stationery is the connection. I kind of touched on this earlier, but having pen and paper as a medium for our thoughts and desires is so incredibly powerful. Don't get me wrong, I love tech, but it's hard to replicate that same visceral, tangible feeling of our mind sending signals through our arms to our hands to move the pen across the page in such a specific way. It's beautiful, and there is simply, in my mind, no substitute for the connection that stationery is able to forge. This brings us to the third C, the third reason why I love stationery, and that's community. To put it quite simply, I would not be sitting here making this video if there wasn't a community of amazing like-minded individuals who share this same deep love for the analog system. Yes, I am talking about you. I love being able to connect with others who just get it. It's so wonderful that I don't have to explain myself when I get all excited about a notebook or a pen or even a label maker. Being a part of such an amazing community has only strengthened my love for stationery, so for that, I just want to say thank you. And as a small token of my gratitude, we have a little giveaway. Thank you so much to Munbin for helping make this giveaway possible. So here's what you need to know. If you're a subscriber, aka Sweet Pen friend, then you'll have a chance to win your own Munbin Mini Thermal Label Maker in either the color white or brown. To enter, please be sure to read the full giveaway terms and conditions linked off in the description box below. You're gonna like this video and leave a comment letting us know how you would use your Munbin mini thermal label maker. If you need a bit of inspiration for this, check out this TikTok video that I did with Munbin, sharing all my favorite ways that I use the Munbin mini thermal label maker. I'll have this TikTok linked off in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with a pen friend who you think might also enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and to turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss any of our videos. I do my best to upload here every Wednesday at 8 a.m. PST, so please take care until then. Feel free to enjoy these two videos linked here on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.